Start.
Good morning. My name is Preet Bhasar from Shakuntala School.
And my name is Dhruv Chopra from CSK Junior School, Marine Lines.
Our theme is Aadhar, means wholehearted support for our grandparents. Since they are struggling with basic ailments or small physical inabilities, we have made certain devices which will help them to provide the solutions to the day-to-day problem faced by our grandparents. First one, we'll start with pickup stick. Since our grandparents lose their balance with aging and tend to fall, picking up fallen things with bending is out of question. So what we have done is attached a brake and a buckle in such a way that while breaking it, the buckle will open and pick up the fallen thing in this manner. For example, if the specs is fallen, this is how they will be able to pick up. The next is grabber. It is the same only, but the work is what that since the area of buckle is small, here we have increased the area and allowing it to take heavier and bigger objects in this manner by taking the support of wall. We have made two cost-effective things. The first one is stethoscope. Stethoscope we have made using 20 rupees, where we have attached a mosquito repellent in such a way with three pipes. That one is attached to a membrane, the other two are for listening. Here we have used a cap and made a membrane and covered the membrane with balloon. The other one is nail cutter, where the eyesight weakens, so cutting nails without hurting themselves is out of question. So what we have done is while cutting now, the nail get magnified and they can easily cut their nails without hurting their skin.
So this is an easy reading tool. Our grandparents has a weak eyesight. So they cannot see the newspaper easily. So we have made an easy reading tool which has two frames. One frame helps the mobile phone from move left to right, and the other one helps the mobile phone to move from up to down. They can adjust the zoom as they need, and they can read the newspaper using without using magnifying glass or spectacles. Magnifying glass has a specific zoom, but the zoom can be changed in this mobile phone. We have put an elevation or angle also. So if grandparents want to elevate it, they can elevate it, and we have kept four sides open so equal light can come. Then we have made a step easy. Grandparents has their knees pain, so they can't climb a higher stairs. So we have made a step easy which decreases the height of the stairs and give a comfortable climbing to a grandparents. And the last one is backrest. You have seen backrest at hospitals, in hospital beds attached from before. So that backrest cannot be taken, but this backrest is portable. It can be taken anywhere, and it is cost effective and easy to make. It help us grandparents to sit at different elevations such as this. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Thank you.